Hey guys, Ryan here with CHIIRP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a variable response conversation funnel. So this is basically the funnel where we're going to ask questions and based on their responses, we're going to move them into other automation, so other answers, so we can answer based on their response. Now, these can be very complex and pretty confusing, so there's a little bit of a learning curve to build these. So take your time, make sure you test them. It takes a little bit of testing, you figure out, and you'll get it going. I'm going to show you the basic way to do it, and then you can build on it from there. Now, the easiest way to build this out is to first map it out by either do that, by writing it down. If you have a whiteboard it out, but figure out what you want to get out of this conversation, and then you would build based on. You're going to build backwards from there. So we don't start, this is where it gets a little confusing. We start kind of at the end of the funnel and work backwards, okay? So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to start a funnel that asks a question: what is your favorite color, okay? Now, based on their answer, we're going to send a different text message based on their answer, okay? So that's one building block of this, this process. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to need the custom field for favorite color. So you're going to come over here, you're going to click on your company name here, and you're going to go to custom fields, and you're going to put favorite color. Okay. Now we're going to add, if you want to put favorite color as the placeholder, you can do that, or whatever you want here. Okay. Now, the type of answer is going to be text, because they're going to respond back with text. And now in here we're going to put in the acceptable answers. Okay? So in this case, we just want 3 answers being available: red, blue, yellow. Okay? Save. Those are the acceptable answers. Now let's go ahead and just check to make sure it's set up right. Favorite color: red, blue, yellow. Okay. You separate by comma for multiple. Obviously, we could continue adding more options, but we're trying to keep this as simple as possible for demonstration purposes. Okay, so now we've got that field. Now, we're going to come back to Funnel Studio and we're going to work backwards. If they answer blue, what do we want to say? If they answer yellow, what do we want to say? And if they answer red, what do we want them to say? Okay, so let's say we're going to start with a funnel. The first funnel, we're going to call this favorite color red. Okay, create. All right. Now the new trigger will be start funnel immediately, and the new action will be send a text message response. And we're going to say, great, red is also my favorite color. Okay. We're going to have that go out at all times, and we're going to hit save. Okay. All right. Then we're going to save that funnel, and we're going to create a funnel for favorite color blue. We're going to start funnel immediately. Wait. Yep. Okay. Oops, I didn't create a new funnel. Let's go ahead and we're just going to hit new. Okay, so let's make sure we still have favorite color red. Yep, okay. Now favorite color blue. Create. All right. New trigger. Start funnel immediately. New action. Send text message. And we're going to say blue is a stupid color. Okay, I'm just kidding. My favorite color is blue, so don't be offended if your favorite color is blue. Save action. Save the funnel. New. Favorite color yellow. Okay, create. New trigger. Start funnel immediately. Send text message. I like yellow, but red is better. Okay, we're going to have that go out right away, so we're going to move these over. Save. Okay, so now we have the 3 funnels built of what we were going to have the response from our first funnel. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, now let's go ahead and create our main funnel. So we're going to call this, what is your favorite color? That's the funnel. Create. New trigger. Start funnel immediately. Now this could be started however you want to start this funnel. If they're coming in from a website, we'll have start funnel immediately. If it's a keyword that you want to trigger the start of this funnel, you can use keyword. But in this case, we're going to start the funnel immediately. And we're going to do new action. Set OK to text on. Okay, save action. And then we're going to send a text message. And that text message is going to say, hi, what is your favorite color? Question mark. Okay. We're going to have that go out at any time and save action. Okay. Now we've asked the question. Their response is going to be the new trigger. So we're going to add a new trigger and we're going to say text message received with information. So the information is going to be the color that they send, right? So we've received, we're going to go ahead and save the text response. So start a new action, save text response to favorite color. Save action. Okay, now that we have saved the text response to the field, the next thing we're going to do is respond based on that. So we're going to come to custom field action. Okay, we're going to choose favorite color. And now this is going to give us the option to respond based on their response. So if they said red, we're going to start the funnel favorite color red. Okay, if they said blue, we're going to say start the favorite color blue. And if they said yellow, we're going to start the favorite color yellow. Okay, and we're going to start the funnel with favorite color yellow. Okay, now from there, we're going to hit save action. Now this step of the funnel is done. We've created the first question with the first variable response. Now keep in mind, sometimes people text back things that don't fit. They don't say red, or they don't say yellow, or they don't say blue, right? Let's say they said green. In that case, we come see how I'm back in save text response. We have these options here to respond if we don't understand their response. The one that I would typically use the most is notify user, okay? So what that means is it will notify me if a response comes in that is not recognized, and then I can go in and manually respond to that conversation. This will keep you from losing the lead if they say, because sometimes people will ignore your question and they'll ask their question. Like if you say, what's your favorite color? They might respond back with, hey, I'm just taking a look at your stuff and I want to know what the pricing is, right? In that case, you would be alerted, and then you could come in and respond to that question manually. Okay, so I would turn on notify user. If you want to text them with a response, it'll ask if you want them. So if it's not that important to you, or if they understand that it's a bot, you can have the system respond back, I don't recognize that response, and then they will respond based on that. They can then respond. It'll try 3 times to get the right response, and then you can also text the assigned user. So this is a notification on your app. This would actually text you if you wanted, to receive an actual text message that says, "Hey, new response received that we don't understand." So we'll just turn that one on. We'll go ahead and save action, and the first step of this funnel is done. Now you can see from here, we can continue to branch out into other responses. We would create new custom fields. We would do a new trigger. And we would ask a new question and then do a new trigger based on that answer. So you can see how this can get fairly confusing, but the best thing to do is start with one question and one answer and then continue building on top of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out that funnel. So the first thing we're going to do is manually start the funnel. here, we're going to go to what is your favorite color, and we're going to hit start funnel. Okay. Now what that's going to do is it's going to text me, hi, what is your favorite color? Give that a second to come through. Okay, so I've received the text message, hi, what is your favorite color? I'm going to respond first, red. Okay. Okay, so it comes through red. Now the system's going to receive that, and now look, great, red is also my favorite color. Okay, so that is the building block. That is the first step of this. Now, it also will show over here in favorite color. Favorite color is going to show up right here. If I refresh this page, it will show it right here. Red is my favorite color. Let's try again. Funnels. What is your favorite color? Start. Okay. Now we're going to try to trip up the system a little bit. Okay, just received. Hi, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Okay. So notice I didn't just say blue. I said my favorite color is blue. Blue is a stupid color. See? So it worked. And now if I refresh the page, you'll see that my system, now it says that my favorite color is blue. Okay. Let's do one more. What is your favorite color? Start the funnel. Okay. Hi, what is your favorite color? It's yellow. Send. And there it goes. I like yellow, but red is better. Okay, so the building block is there. The first question is answered. The next step would be to build another building block, ask another question. So this could be a question here, and you'd add another building block and continue to build your conversation. Again, like I said, this is a very complex situation, and it's something you need to map out in your head what you want it to do, and then build it backwards from there. There is a learning curve to this. It will take you a little time and some testing, but once you get it in, you can build some pretty complex conversations. Obviously, we want to help where we can, so if you run into any snags or need help, reach out and we'll be able to help you with that. So thanks for watching.